Facebook Messenger new message is not showing. In this video, we'll tell you how to fix problem of no messages and your peoples are very worried. Your peoples want to know how to fix this problem. Tell your peoples how can to this rugged video and friend there your peoples and your getting to see this new messages will appear here problem. To fix the problem, first of all you have to do it. Friends, in this video I am going to tell your very easy method why reaching your problem will be fix out the. Let me tell your first of all you have to come to the screen of your mobile phone. If your phone is Android is to or and iPhone and facing this problem how to fix your device, so tell me this video. First friends, you have to press on the messenger. I tell open the app information and first of all you have to do first stop the you have to come do the storage clear cache and you have to come back and turn off your mobile data and how to wake your. After doing this, you have to open your Play Store and App Store. Then you have to search Facebook Messenger. You will have to update the Messenger applications and your mobile phone screen. And how to update my already each Messenger applications and how to update your Messenger application and fix this problem 100%.